Camtasia 2019. The 27th of August, 2019, Camtasia Windows 2019.0.7 fixed an issue that caused delays in timeline edits for stitched media. Fixed crash when loading projects with missing track files. Updated screencast.com to use the latest TechSmith account integration. SCORM 2004 editions are now listed in SCORM options. Added option for enterprise users to disable quizzing in the TechSmith deployment tool. Added option for enterprise users to disable quizzing in the TechSmith deployment tool. The 15th of August, 2019, Camtasia Windows 2019.0.6 fixed issue where context menu options are missing for annotations. Fixed issue where some PDF files rendered with incorrect colors. Updated XPDF library to version 4.01 to address the following CVEs where a user may have been vulnerable to a denial of service attack, crash or hang when importing a PDF file. CVE 2018-7173, CVE 2018-7174, CVE 2018-7175, CVE 2018-7452, CVE 2018-7454, CVE 2018-11033, CVE 2018-16368, CVE 2018-18651.